All right. So next question here is, how long does it take for a tree wood chip to decompose if you're running through the tree through a normal wood chipper?
Okay. Typically, the wood chips alone in a pile as mulch, like if you put them on a pathway between your raised beds or your permanent grow paths or your permanent grow areas and your distinct walk paths, 2 to 4 years it'll take to break down. That's a couple of inches, 3-4 inches. Adding, if you're going to mix them in with a compost system, adding green matter like green grass clippings or manure helps speed up the process, and it can take as little as 3 to 6 months. But also that the main factor on the speed of decomposition is the size in which the chip is processed. The smaller the chip, the quicker it's going to break down. The larger the chip, it can take much, much longer in order to do this. Now, other things that you want to consider whenever you're getting mulch, whether free or you have, you see the wood chipping people in the neighborhood. If you're just going to put it on your pathways, there's not really that big of an issue. But if you're going to put it around, let's say perennials, your blackberries, your blueberries, your asparagus, there can be some residual issues with if the tree was contaminated or died of a disease. There is some studies that have shown that, but be aware that not all wood chips are created equal. If it was a healthy tree that they had to take down because it was impeding power lines or potentially falling on a residence or a structure, then that tree would be perfectly fine to utilize. It would be green chips. You don't want to work that in to your soil because as it breaks down in the raised bed or ground garden, the breakdown process robs a certain amount of nitrogen from the soil, which can cause your plants to suffer for a time while that decomposition is occurring as a mulch.